EcoAir on a contractor level has also helped me streamline my business with installs, maintenance, for allowing me to cut labor times out of my technicians. The reason we like EcoAir is due to the ease of installation. It allows us to install the unit. We don't even have to set up gauges after we install it. We can just put it in auto charge mode and come back in an hour, and all the parameters are set to the correct units.
This means no time spent on recalibrating or manual adjustments, just efficiency at its best. EcoAir's smart design and simple setup allows contractors to work smarter, not harder. Choose EcoAir, for contractors by contractors.